Hello, my name is Zach Marler, short for Zachary. In my presentation, I will be going over my paradigm reflection video over ontology, epistemology, and axiology assumptions. Um, First, I want to start with ontology. Let's go ahead and skip forward, which is the study of nature, of reality. Reality can be orderly or chaotic, or both. Uh, One's perspective of reality is unique, qualitative, and one of my peer reviewed research, grounded theory, we posit that qualitative inquiry is essential to management science, but is insufficient. I believe that one's perspective of reality is unique. And then secondly, epistemology, which is the study of knowledge. Reality can be biased due to certain situations and their opinions. Different people have different opinions. All opinions aren't going to be the same. Everyone will have their own view on everything. The knowledge acquired in this discipline is socially constructed rather than objectively determined and perceived. Qualitative, due to naturalistic words, text, and symbols. Which majority of everything that has to do with knowledge is learned. It's text due to textbooks. In school, we learn different things through textbooks rather than what we were taught growing up. Different symbols will make us think of hieroglyphics, Egyptians. All of that is learned. It's taught through books. Then lastly, axiology is the study of values, and subjectively is inherently misleading. The measurements for consumer acceptance and information technology will objectively inform the theory of acceptance and use of technology, which is valuable to understand. Excuse me. Also, in a faith in progress and a forward-looking orientation of European development. I got that from one of my peer reviewed articles. And then also the study of values can be taught through data. There's data on different value, just like culture, beliefs, and other things like that. And that's mostly due to different people coming from different places around the world. The most intriguing about this is that uh, is I was raised as a, I guess, realist. So I mean, I believe in stuff that is like proven, not through video. I was taught to believe in stuff you see rather than stuff you saw through like video. I mean, it's got to be real. I can't believe everything that comes through social media, um, anything like that. So, also, I got my peer-reviewed scholarly articles. My first one's T.J. Mezerich's The Spirit of Russia Between Positivism, Axiology, and Orientalism. And then secondly, Qualitative Inquiry in Management, Methodological Dilemmas and Concerns in Meta-Analysis. Obviously, the axiology positivism goes with my axiology slide, and I got a quote in there that's from that, and then also in my uh, ontology, which involves the qualitative inquiry and management methodological dilemmas and concerns in meta-analysis. And then also my last slide, my works cited, goes over both articles and where to find them. Thank you.